So I want to talk a little bit about my inspiration behind my products. I am really inspired by the Danish nature. Growing up in Denmark, growing up close to nature, close to the forest and water, that was, gave me a great impact for my inspiration today. And doing my studies at Central St. Martin's, I actually always went back home when we had the small breaks. I gathered lots of research from natural environment. The last research I did doing my study was in my final year, where I did a whole research about Møns Klint, which is a beautiful coastal area in Denmark. It was completely organic, completely natural, beautiful structures. And those structures and way that this pattern is placed is very similar and translated into the pattern that I'm creating today using the natural techniques. So all of these structures and the way that it's just formatting itself organically is something that I really use in my design practice and as my signature pattern today. The interesting thing is that the patterns created in clips are completely organic. They're made by nature, and that's exactly transferred into the way I create, because that's a chemical reaction between natural dye and rust, which creates this organic way the pattern is coming from.